Hey guys, and welcome to the Silent Code Dev. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the position sticky. Now, the position sticky is very similar to position fixed. The only difference is that position sticky is actually a mix of position relative and position fixed. Okay, so what it means is that when you apply position sticky to an element, and let's say this is the element here with the position sticky, so nothing is going to happen. It's going to behave as if you applied position relative to the element, right? It's going to be normal. But when you start scrolling down, right? As you scroll down, the element's going to start to go upwards. And when the element with position sticky hits the top of the browser window, it's going to follow, right? It's caught, right? Stuck there. And it's going to follow, right? Because with position fixed, no matter what you did, if you scrolled up and down, it's going to follow, right? Because with position fixed, the element is attached to the browser window. But with position sticky, it's relative, right? So it's in the document flow or in the HTML document until you start to, when the top of the browser window touches the element, it follows. So I know that could be a little bit confusing. So I'm actually going to show you guys what I mean. Okay, so let's just get started. So I'm going to make a div element with a class box. I'm going to give it a background color of red, width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels. Okay, so it's going to show here. There it is. So how can I show you guys? So if let's say I'm declaring, right? I'm saying position sticky. Okay, and I'm gonna give it margin top 200 pixels to show you guys. Okay, so I need to add, I'm gonna add some because now I can't scroll on the body, so I'm gonna do some height. Let's do 500 pixels, 5000 pixels. There we go. So as you guys can see, I can scroll, right? When I'm scrolling, nothing happens. Okay, nothing happens because nothing happens because when you add position sticky, you need to declare property and you need to declare value, right? I mean, you need to specify a property. Okay, so the property is top and the value is 0, right? So now it's top 0. And the reason it's not at top because I added margin top here to show you guys, right? If I remove margin top, it's gonna go all the way here to the top. Okay, so I'm adding margin top I'm adding spacing outside this element. So I want to show you guys when I'm scrolling. Okay, so when I scroll, now you guys can see I'm still scrolling and it takes the element because of the position sticky. So it takes the element all the way down, right? It sticks until I go back up. It's leaving 200 pixels here because I've declared that, right? And I know that was difficult to read. I mean, difficult to see. So to make it a bit more clear for you guys, I'm going to make another div with a class of B. Yeah, just something random here, just so you guys can see what's actually happening. Okay, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do B. And I'm gonna remove. Okay, we're gonna do black and we're gonna do height pixels and width 200 pixels, margin 20 pixels. Okay, and I'm gonna remove this. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys because, as I said, this element here with position sticky, it's not gonna move until the top touches this. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm moving now and it sticks. Okay, it sticks. So same thing, like if you have spacing, if I add spacing to the box element, top 200 pixels. Yep, sorry. Okay, so there's spacing, so I'm still scrolling, as you guys can see. Maybe that was a bit short. I'm gonna do 400, right? So I'm scrolling, nothing happens until the browser window, the top of the browser window hits the element with the position sticky, okay? So it's almost like position fixed, but the difference is, as I said, it's only going to move when the top of the browser window touches the element with position sticky. There's also another thing, guys, another thing. So position sticky is restrained, right? It had boundary. Like if I put this element inside a parent element with a fixed height, it's not gonna move anymore. And I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that, okay? So I'm gonna remove this. Okay? And I'm gonna make another div. I'm gonna call it class container. And I'm gonna put this box, I'm gonna put it inside, gonna put it inside here, okay? And we're gonna take this container and we're going to have a height of 400 pixels and width 800 pixels, okay? We're gonna do border 5 pixels solid black, and let me remove the margin top here, so it's here, okay? And I'm gonna put this in the middle. Let me see here. Actually, I want to add the margin here. Let's see, something like that, okay? And we're gonna do, okay. So as you guys can see, I probably need to have a higher height, so I'm gonna do 900, okay? So as you guys can see, the element with position sticky is inside a container, right? Inside a container with nothing, right? So when I'm scrolling, you guys can see it's following, but when the element with position sticky, okay, that's inside a parent element, when it hits the bottom here, it's not gonna follow. It's not gonna follow. It's not going to follow, right? So I know it's a bit confusing. I would recommend you guys to study yourself, play around with it, and if you have any questions, you can write them in the comment below. But that's the main thing, right? When you're doing this, you have to be aware of it. Like when you use position sticky, that position sticky will be restrained from the apparent element with a fixed height, okay? It's gonna follow, but it's gonna stop as soon as it hits the bottom here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. It's gonna help me out a lot. And make sure to watch my other CSS videos. So that's it, guys. Good luck and bye.